The animal kingdom is filled with remarkable creatures and astonishing habitats, but have you ever wondered what goes on in the most unusual and unexpected corners of the world? From hidden animal communities in the depths of the Amazon to strange undersea civilizations, the natural world never ceases to surprise us. In this article, we will explore some of the most unbelievable animal kingdoms you've never seen before, where animals live in ways that challenge everything we know about survival and cooperation. The termite mounds of Africa, a monument to cooperation in the vast savannas of Africa. Towering termite mounds rise from the earth, some reaching heights of over 10 feet. These massive structures are more than just nests, they are incredible feats of engineering built by tiny creatures. Termites work together in colonies of up to 1 million individuals, creating elaborate tunnel systems, temperature-controlled chambers, and ventilation shafts that regulate the internal climate of their homes. What's even more fascinating is the way these termites communicate and coordinate their actions. Using a complex system of pheromones, termites are able to work in perfect harmony, performing tasks like gathering food, maintaining the mound, and protecting the queen. The mounds themselves are so well designed that some scientists have even looked to them for inspiration in sustainable architecture. The city of ants, a complex network beneath our feet when it comes to social organization. Few animals do it better than ants. Ant colonies are often described as a superorganism, a collection of individual ants working together for the greater good of the colony. What makes these colonies so extraordinary is their sheer scale and complexity. Some species, like the Argentine ant, have supercolonies that span thousands of miles, creating interconnected networks that stretch across continents. These ant cities operate with incredible efficiency. In some cases, ants have been known to create living bridges with their bodies, allowing the colony to cross obstacles like rivers or gaps. The way ants divide labor, farm fungus, and even herd aphids for food is a testament to their intelligence and the power of cooperation. Underwater palaces. Coral reef ecosystems beneath the surface of the ocean. Coral reefs create bustling underwater cities that are teeming with life. These reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are home to thousands of species of fish, mollusks, and invertebrates. But the true marvel of coral reefs lies in their creation. Coral polyps, tiny creatures no larger than a pinhead, work together to build massive structures made of calcium carbonate. Over thousands of years, these tiny organisms create sprawling underwater palaces that provide shelter and food for countless marine species. The health of coral reefs is directly tied to the delicate balance between these organisms and their environment. Unfortunately, these vibrant ecosystems are under threat due to climate change, overfishing, and pollution. Yet, they remain one of the most incredible examples of how animals can work together to create something truly spectacular. The Amazon rainforest. The secret life of poison dart frogs. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a community of poison dart frogs live out their extraordinary lives in the shadow of towering trees. These tiny amphibians have earned their name due to the toxic secretions on their skin, which protect them from predators. But what makes these frogs truly fascinating is the way they establish complex, cooperative relationships with other species in the rainforest. Poison dart frogs often rely on mutualistic relationships with various types of insects, plants, and even other amphibians. For example, certain species of ants provide food for the frogs, while the frog's presence helps keep insect populations in check. In turn, the frog's toxic skin serves as a deterrent to predators, making them a key player in the ecological balance of the rainforest. The Kingdom of Elephants, a matriarchal society in the vast grasslands of Africa and the dense forests of Asia, live in tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female in the herd. These intelligent creatures have a complex social structure based on cooperation, empathy, and communication. They rely on one another for protection, food, and care, and their relationships are built on a foundation of trust and mutual respect. What's truly remarkable about elephants is their ability to communicate over long distances. Using low-frequency sounds called infrasound, elephants can send signals that travel for miles, allowing them to stay connected with other members of their herd or warn of impending danger. Their social bonds are so strong that elephants have been known to mourn their dead, showing a level of emotional intelligence that rivals that of humans. The hidden world of fungi. Farming ants in the jungles of Central and South America. A fascinating group of ants has mastered the art of farming. Leafcutter ants, for example, harvest leaves, chop them up, and use them to cultivate fungus gardens deep within their underground colonies. The ants have formed a symbiotic relationship with the fungus, which they feed and tend to in exchange for food. This agricultural system is so sophisticated that it rivals human farming practices. The ants have developed techniques to maintain the health of their fungus crops, including using antimicrobial substances to prevent disease. This incredible example of mutualism is a reminder of how deeply interconnected the natural world truly is. These are just a few of the unbelievable animal kingdoms you've never seen before. The animal world is filled with astonishing examples of cooperation, intelligence, and creativity. Whether it's the towering termite mounds in Africa, the bustling cities of ants, or the underwater palaces of coral reefs, animals continue to amaze us with their ingenuity and their ability to adapt to the most challenging environments. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible animal kingdoms, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Epic Animal World, for more fascinating insights into the world of wildlife. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave us a comment below sharing your thoughts on these amazing animal societies. Join us on this wild adventure as we continue to explore the animal kingdom.